Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Overlord game, or shortcut OVL. We have already 24 hours trading volume over 1 million US dollars and not even long listed here on CoinGecko. 45 minutes listed on CoinGecko and already profits. You see the curve, it just goes up. So be one of the first, invest some bucks and maybe you make 100x, 1000x. Let's see what this token will perform. Before we look on their website, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It will help to grow. For sure, write down into the comments what you think about this project and maybe leave me a like if you like this project or the video. So let's have a look on overlord.world, their website, and it's very interesting here. This is the first game NFT integrated RPG on mobile. This is a mobile game, and let's have a look how the pictures are first. I mean, look at these guys. They're really good made, and if this is real-time gaming, then it's the next level, right? I mean, look at these pictures. If we can play like this and it's happening like this, then why not, guys? I mean, this is the future. Earning by playing games. This is exactly what we want as players. That's not only wasted time, right? So let's have a look what they write here. Story. No, this is not that interesting. Let's have a look what they write here. How to play. Okay, here you can choose within 3 types: Archer, Magician, or Warrior. And you can download this application on Apple and for sure on Android phones. And actually they say it will look like this. I didn't try to play, but maybe the community can tell me more about this game if they already played it. And we had a lot of NFT games on this channel, but I must say for sure this looks the best because it is some kind of remember me a little bit on Diablo old times, right? And why not? Why not, folks? Let's have a look at the introduction here. You can go, if you go on the link here, documents, then you come on this website, docs.overlord.world. With the explosion of the NFT trend and its impact on the game market, a series of NFT-integrated game projects were born. But most of them were simple games and web-based games. It is very tough. It approaches players without mobile versions. Overlord is confident to be the first mobile RPG game that has successfully integrated NFT. With just a mobile phone with internet connections, player will be able to experience it without any concern. Demo version is ready and the official version will be released as soon as possible. Let's join and accompany with us. So that sounds very good. That means the demo version is already working. We have a little story. Then the play to earn. There are 2 types of token used in the Overlord system. Lore token will be used in web games, farming and PvE fighting. OVL token will be used in mobile game, player versus player mode. Okay. After owning pet, the player can join the fight immediately. Players can earn lore token through farming and fighting. So this is the first token. Besides, players can earn OVL tokens by completing in-game quests and challenges. Players will participate in dramatic battles with other players in order to complete the challenge. There are 3 game modes for player to fight: solo, survival and deathmatch. So when we look here on that chart, we have here OVL price chart. So they show us here the Overlord token, right? Overlord token. And the Lord token, they also exist in game. When a quest or challenge is complete, players will receive experience, Lord tokens, OVL tokens and many other items. Lord tokens, OVL tokens and pets are tradable on the Lord market. Pets, I mean with pets, I think you have a character and some pet beside you, or just as an, let's see what they write. Players can start the game with different characters. All of characters are able to use 3 weapons of sword, staff and bow, representing power, dexterity and precision. Players will create for themselves different characters depending on their customization and personality. Along with the NFT support pet, your character will be a unique version. So you can have an NFT support pet that this is maybe fighting with you, near you. Living in the depth of the dark caves is a beginner animal to train your ability of taming animals. With eye that are used to using the dark, OEB supports the owner with the ability to observe from a distance, but the ability to damage is very limited. Okay, Venom Spider here, different pets. So I think these pets are fighting with you in the game. Yes, that's how it looks. And here we have the explanation again. The Overlord token and the Overlord token are here, and the Lord token is here. So I mean, this is a very nice project. I hope that the total game will come soon, that we all can play it. And right now on Telegram they have over 72,000 members and 10,000 are online right now. That's a huge. And 52,000 followers. So this project is a very big project. And if I look on the picture, if I see this kind of effort on this game that work, I mean, you have to design first a game like this, right? And if you look what they are doing and what they want to do and what is already working, you can see a little video, someone is playing a demo, I think. So the game is already working. We don't have here just pictures. Yeah? Someone was already playing it, and it looks right now, it looks good for me. I mean, if someone is making a game, there's always a demo, then maybe a beta version, and on this beta version they will have to fix some bugs. On every game you have to fix some bugs, right? And have a look on it, right? So I like it. I can't wait to play that game. And yeah, folks, what do you think about this project? I just like it when I see it, when I see the pictures. And if it comes like this, man, this will be a huge project. This is a huge project, and I think this token 1000x. Why not? Really, 1000x. We have here 12 cents, and I easily see it on $120 on long term. Why not? On short term, 10x for sure. Yeah, for sure. Maybe 100x even. $12, why not? So let me know what you think about this project right now. Maybe write down into the comments. Maybe you already played it. Yes. Let's have a look on the KuCoin chart, on the chart of this token, of the Overlord token. Copy paste, right? Then you can see what the actual chart is doing, what's going on with Overlord game. We have right now investors $350,000 and a market cap of 1.2 million. And yes, massive. That's nice. Okay, folks, this is just the beginning. Step into it right now. Step into it right now. How many tokens I have that they are not going online the same day, they are not getting listed the same day they are going online. And this game, I mean this token, 10x for sure the next days, for sure. Yes, I'm in, folks, I'm in. It is for me a totally hit coin. Here's much potential behind this. And yeah, let me know what you think. Again, I just repeat it. Let me know what you think. Write it down into the comments. Leave me a like. And for sure, subscribe this channel. It will help me a lot to show you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you all the best profits on the blockchain sky. And see you later, alligator. Bye.